Have you ever thought about creating a full product ad, social media content, or even an online store campaign without hiring a designer or video editor? What if you could turn a single product image into a complete marketing campaign in just a few minutes? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful all-in-one AI platform called Wery AI. And in this video, instead of just explaining features, I'll show you real use cases, especially for e-commerce, content creators, and everyday users. Let's start with a real example. Imagine you have a product, like a skincare bottle, and you want to create ads for your website or social media. Normally, you would need a photographer, models, editing, and a lot of time. But with Wery AI, you can do all of that in one place. First, I'll go to the chat section. Here, instead of a simple idea, I'll use a practical prompt. Create a full marketing concept for a luxury skincare serum. Include product positioning, ad visuals, background style, lighting setup, and short video ideas for Instagram and TikTok. Now I click Generate. Within seconds, the AI gives a complete plan. It suggests premium backgrounds like marble textures, soft lighting for a luxury feel, and even short-form video ideas. This is extremely useful if you are running an online store or creating content regularly. Now let's actually create those visuals. I'll go to the creation section and start with image generation. Here's the prompt I'll use. Ultra-realistic product shot of a luxury skincare serum bottle placed on a marble surface, soft, natural lighting, minimal background, high-end commercial photography style, 4K quality. I'll choose Nano Banana Pro, C-Dance, and Google Veo 3. I'll select text to image and enable model comparison mode so we can test multiple models. Then I'll set the aspect ratio for Instagram and click Generate. After a few seconds, you can see the results. Each model creates a professional product image. These are the kind of visuals brands usually spend hundreds of dollars on. Now imagine this. You can use these images for your website, ads, or even product listings. This can directly improve your business and save both time and money. Now let's make it more realistic using image to image. I'll upload a basic product photo, and now I want to enhance it. Here's my prompt. Place this product in a luxury bathroom setting, add soft reflections, improve lighting, and create a premium advertisement look. I select image to image, upload the image, and click Generate. Now look at the result. The simple product photo is transformed into a high-end branded image. This is perfect for e-commerce stores like Shopify or Amazon sellers. Now, let's move to video creation, which is even more powerful. I'll start with text to video. Here's a practical prompt. A cinematic advertisement video of a luxury skincare product, slow camera movement, soft lighting, water drops, clean background, premium commercial style. I set the duration, resolution, and click Generate. After processing, the video is ready. This looks like a real ad you would see from a big brand. Now think about it. This can help you create ads for Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok without hiring a video editor. Now, let's try image to video. I'll upload the product image and use this prompt. Add smooth camera motion, light reflections, and subtle animation to create a premium product ad video. I click Generate, and now the static image turns into a professional video. This is perfect for short-form content and product promotions. So whether you are a business owner, freelancer, or content creator, these features can help you in real life, saving time, reducing costs, and improving your content quality. This platform can really help you. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Go check it out and let me know in the comments how you plan to use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.